Happy St. Patty's Day. This is Dez. My name's Dez Woodruff here at Grok Trade, and I'd like to welcome you on this Tuesday, March 17th, 2015 day, where the market's in the day mixed. St. Patrick's Day, many people out there celebrating that with parades and green beer. Taking a look here at the markets, you'll see the spider was down 0.3%, Dow down 0.7%, Nasdaq up a fraction, small caps though up 0.3%, banks up 0.13%. So even though we have a mixed day on Wall Street, you have a bullish sentiment with the banks or financials being positive, along with small caps also being positive. But if you take a look here at the spiders, this is the S&P 500, basically the ETF on that. And this ETF, or an exchange traded fund, is within a big fat rising wedge. This is more bearish than it is bullish. Now, the thing I also want to share with you is we have what's called a bear pullback. So you have this drop, a little mini-me bounce. And with this bounce, I said best case scenarios if we could get back to this high. I'm not seeing that we're going to do that. We get a spinning top reversal pattern on a little bit of volume here, especially compared to yesterday. This, if you look at this, is about a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement type area. So this area would be a good area for it to start dropping again. Because of this, I went ahead and added a little more to my hedge position just in case it does start to drop. Because if it drops, it could get nasty, and that could happen very quickly. So I'm watching that closely. I like to see it keep going higher. If it does start to go higher, I will unload my hedge position, which is a bear ETF or an inverse ETF, and it is a hybrid, or if you will, a leveraged ETF. You can get them 2 times or 3 times or a 300% increase or 200% increase on the bear side ETFs. With that, the markets are just in an area that I think that we have a decent chance of dropping. I would have looked for, on this leg up, big white chunky candlesticks with little upper shadows, if any at all. Almost like what we have here, bigger candlesticks with very little upper shadows, to start marching higher. We're not seeing that here. But we have the FOMC, the Fed going to come out with ideas of interest rates, but they're saying it's all but imminent that they will in fact raise interest rates before June. So it'd be interesting to see how that plays itself out. And tonight we should know the outcome of Israel and if Netanyahu will win another term. Here, something what you can do on this. A lot of you guys have come over here to TradingView, and that's the software I'm using now. And I can go down here and publish an idea. And I do publish ideas here. And if I were to turn on this light bulb, you'll see all these dots everywhere. And these dots are people's opinions. If you're green, that means you're bullish. Red, that means you're bearish. Or if you do a yellow, that means just be cautious. I think too many people are cautious. Either give us a green or a red. Tell us what you think. And the reason you see a triangle here is that's because you're looking at it from my point of view. But when you look at it on your screen, you will see that as just a dot. But if you hover over it, you'll see my name. But this is the spiders. I really thought that this was a good chance for the spiders to go bullish. I even said bullish on a red candlestick here. And sure enough, it's gone up ever since I put that call in. And furthermore, let's see the Qs, or let's go to small caps. Small caps, another one I added down here. So that was my call for the bull side bouncing off of this, and it goes higher. What's interesting here on the small caps is we did go higher than the swing. That's very interesting, but we got big time resistance coming up right here. But if you want to follow me, feel free to do so. Like down here, that alerts me to notifications. looks like some more people following. This person agreed with one of my calls. This person agreed with one of my calls. This person agreed. Oh, it looks like the same person agreeing to my Nike call, my Baba call, and Caterpillar call. That was some time ago. But you can go here and follow me, and you'll be alerted to any of my calls that I make. Like, for example, Go Pro. This is the stock that I'm in. I entered down here, called it a buy. It's gone higher, higher, higher. Again, you won't see a triangle. You'll just see a circle, like you see the rest of them here. But today it broke out. I added more to this position, but right at the end of the day, it started dropping again. I'm hoping it can stay above this trend line. I think it has a decent chance of staying above it. I would like to see this just continue up higher, but it did break this resistance. There's a good chance that this thing has put in a bottom and going higher. Baba is another one that I'm playing, and this one, drop, drop, drop. I put a call in right there for long, and sure enough, it's taken off ever since. Have a safe time out there with friends tonight. Take care, and very safe trading to you. And I hope you can join us for our mentorship this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That's a time for you to go through the 3-day immersion. So if you want to be mentored by us, we're here to help you.